It's a certified 2021 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and LED low and high beam headlights. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.